Guangzhou BEU Electric Appliance Company Limited, established in 2015, is an innovative enterprise specializing in R&D production and exporting of commercial refrigeration equipment. Our factory covers an area of 15,000 square meters, 150 employees. We obtain ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certifications. With over 18 years of experience, our partner team has the strong ability to design various standard products. We also have the strength to quickly respond to needs of the customer product from global customers. Our R&D and production are supported by various advanced equipment, including sample laboratory, laser, punching, bending, foaming, gas filling machines, and product assembly and testing lines. They help us to quickly and efficiently complete product, R&D, and manufacturing. We strictly implement ISO management system to ensure products' premium quality and production's high efficiency. We not only provide products to meet local standards for different regions, also supply solutions to meet the special demand for customers. The products meet ETLCE, BEUEAs, and other certifications and testing. Trusted by clients across 80 countries and regions, we enjoy a high reputation and maintain the long-term partnership with well-known distributors. We take focus on customer core demand, specialize in product pleasant quality as core business philosophy.